Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute bay window card with the Happy Forest Friends suite. Here is my bay window Happy Forest Friends card, and as you can see, the front pops up to look like a bay window, and we use this little sentiment popped up on a dimensional to hold that in place. So I'm going to start with the scoring, and here's a template for the bay window card. So we're going to score at 5/8. So you're going to do one tick past half. So that's 5/8 right there that you're going to score. And then you're going to do 1 7/8 that you're going to score. And then 3 5/8, score that. 4 7/8, score that. And then 5 1/2, which is half of the card. So you can fold it in half there. Okay, so now I have pieces of DSP cut up. So I have 2 for the sides here that are 1/2 inch by 4. And then I have 2 over here for these sides. And these are 1 1/8 by 4. And this one is 1 5/8 by 4. So I'm going to show you a little trick. So this is a normal card. It's 4 1/4 wide. I'm going to trim it down to be 4 1/8. So I'm just going to take off 1/8. And I'm doing that because I want to use my DSP better. So I cut this into 4 inches, and I can get 3 across on a 12-inch sheet of cards of DSP. But if I had to do, 4 1/4, then I could only get 2. And I wanted the layering to be tight and not leave a lot of edge. So that's why I did it this way. I'm going to put this one over here. And then this piece right here, we're going to go ahead and adhere down to the card. So we're just going to adhere that down, and that's going to help us create our bay window. Now for the inside, I'm going to add a piece of basic white that is 3 by 4. And then I have a little piece of designer series paper to put inside as well. And this one measures 2 by 4. So the inside measurements are easy. Now I can add the sentiment. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment. I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Mossy Meadow. And I love this sentiment. It's so cute. Happier than happy for you. And I'm going to cut it out using the potted succulents dies. And so I'm going to use this die right here. So to add the sentiment, I'm going to use a dimensional. I'm just going to put it in the middle. And place it right here. And then we can fold in all these crease lines. And then this is going to stop right there, and it's going to give us our bay window. So now we're going to decorate it. So we're going to start by stamping the fox in soft suede. So we're going to stamp the fox in soft suede. I love how it's a distinctive stamp, so you get those highlights and shadows. So I have my cute little fox, and I've already stamped and cut out some trees, and I'm going to add all these to the card. I'm going to use some liquid glue. So I'm going to put this one on first, the largest one on first. And I'm going to add this stamped one over here to the side. And then this last one I'm going to add up here. And I'll add a dimensional to our fox. And then we'll place our fox right about here. And then we can do 2 dimensionals down the middle of the circle. We can add the circle to the front. And then we can add a bow. I'm going to use my little ribbon bow tire to tie a bow. So I am right-handed, so I'm going to start by wrapping it around, holding it with my left hand. And then I'm going to cut off a piece about right here. And then I'm going to bring this back this way and tuck it down into the hole. And then I'm going to bring it back up through the bottom and put it through the loop here. And then just pull. And then that creates this perfect bow with both of the tails behind it. And then you can just trim off any excess. Of course, we'll add that with the glue dot. And there we have our bay window card. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this Happier Than Happy bundle. It includes supplies for these 6 cards. I have a triple window card and a cute peekaboo card. So place the order using my current host code or a $40 order and email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching this video tutorial on the Happy Forest Friends suite. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like my video and leave a comment. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.